Take a ride in the 2020 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, autonomous braking, rear view camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.